So this lesson is about gender educational attainment again. In particular, instead of looking at why the girls are doing better, we're going to look at why are boys underachieving, especially at GCSE. Study the various factors that might explain boys' underachievement. To assess the validity of the theories, how true do we think they are? By doing that, you are thinking like a sociologist. Expectations, disruption, gender roles, exclusions, permanent and temporary, role models, feminine, primary school, subculture, peers, employment opportunities. So, various factors to explain why boys do badly in school. Could be something to do with schools themselves. Some evidence suggests that teachers expect boys to do poor work, expect girls to do good work. They expect boys to be poorly behaved. They expect boys to have badly presented work, and they put up with it. It's in line with their expectations. Now, if this happens for many, many years, boys get away with poorly presented work, they get away with not working as hard, then what it ends up is, by the time it comes to leave, they're doing quite badly. Behaviour. On the whole, boys are more poorly behaved than girls, again, possibly because of socialisation. If you look at exclusions, 80% of exclusions, permanent and temporary, are for boys, for disruptive behaviour. So boys are much more likely to be poorly behaved. They're much more likely to be excluded. They're much more likely to be in quite a lot of trouble at school for poor behaviour over a long period of time. Hence, they get bad grades. Role models, particularly at primary school. There's an argument that many boys don't see school as a place for them because most of their teachers, especially in primary school, are female, and therefore they lack the role models to show them how to behave in school. Anti-school peer groups, anti-school subcultures. It's evidence that boys are more susceptible to this. Within the male subculture, doing well at school, working hard, is seen as a bad thing. They get low status for it. Whereas anti-school subcultures are much more likely, though not always, to be made up of boys. So messing about in class gets you high status. And finally, there's an argument about, like yesterday's lesson, the future. Boys may be not working as hard at school because they don't see the point of getting these qualifications because there are no jobs that they want out there. Whereas girls are working harder because the jobs are there for them. It could be as the employment opportunities for boys decline in traditional industries, working class boys are less likely to work at school. Yeah? So that's the 5 basic arguments. We'll talk about that in class. And then we'll have a go at this 10 marker. So the 10 marker one side. Explain reasons why girls get better grades than boys. Very straightforward. We combine the previous lesson with today's lesson, and that should be a nailed on 9 out of 10.